Muy bien, chicos, and this is the last video for chapter 1. I'm gonna click on 1.9.4. And mostly the next pages are activities for you guys to practice. We already know about nouns, gender and numbers, and also vocab about the objects of the classroom. Here we have another summary of definite and indefinite articles. Bien, definite articles, el, la, los, and las, with examples. Undefinite, una, unos, and unas. El verbo I comes from the verb haber, and it means there is. However, I is the only form used in the present tense for both singular and plural descriptions. So it also means there are. That's why we say, hay una profesora en la clase. There is one professor in the class. Hay 30 estudiantes en la clase. There are 30 students in the class. Bien, and here, more examples. You can watch this video as well. Talking about there is and there are. Next page. In the next page is telling you more activities about the definite and indefinite articles, more activities for you guys to practice. I'm gonna scroll down. I already showed you how to do these activities and how to try and check your work. And all you guys need to do is follow the directions. And as you notice, most of the ebook pages are full of activities, and which is good. Next page. Now we're gonna put together that chapter. The entire chapter we talked about saludos y respuestas, how to introduce ourselves, goodbyes, things en la mochila del estudiante, en la clase, en el salón de clase, numbers, gender and number of nouns and articles, definite and indefinite articles. Vocabulario, so if you guys want to go over vocab for these topics, just click on these links. I'm gonna click on the first one, and it tells you all the vocab that you guys need to know for this topic. Bien, you can also do the same for the next set of words, presentaciones. I click on it and it tells you with audio pronunciation. Bien, this is a good tool that this ebook offers. I'm gonna go Introduction to Cultura. Now that we talked about grammar and vocab, here, the next page will give you the cultural aspect of chapter 1. Here, please read the paragraph. It's in English. And let's go to the next page. Video, los saludos de los países latinos. This is a good resource for you guys to learn about cultura. So there are 21 countries that have Spanish as their official language. It's very interesting. And there are 19 Spanish-speaking countries in Latin America. You continue reading, and then you have the list of countries with the nationality, versión masculina y feminine version. Argentina, the country, someone from Argentina that is male will be argentino. If it's a female person, Argentina, etc. Here we have activities to talk about nationalities, to practice. Alex es del Perú. Él es peruano. Mariela es de México. Ella es mexicana. And then you continue. So all these answers are here somewhere in this chart. All you guys need to do, take the time and practice. Let's check the work. Yes, the first two are correct. El saludo de cada país. Watch this video, it's super interesting. And then keep practicing. After watching the video, you can practice these by using these activities. Bien, super useful material. And let's talk about the last page of our chapter. And this is the last video for chapter 1. I'm gonna do the same for chapter 2 in advance, so you guys know what to do and how to study and get ready for the chapter quiz, to record your videos, and to take your quizzes at the end. So here tenemos Chile. We're going to learn about Chile, the capital, the location, interesting facts, and choose the correct answer after reading the information about Chile. More in a video about Chile, and then answer the questions. And lastly, one more paragraph about Las Torres del Paine Solo, which is super interesting. Yes, it is in English here for you guys to be informed, to know more. And then just answer the questions. And that's it for chapter one, chicos. We learn a lot of vocab, grammar, and cultura. A lot of activities throughout the ebook. Take advantage of it, please. And I will see you on the first video that belongs to chapter two. Muchas gracias. Don't forget, please, to send me an email if there's any question anytime.